An allegation dating back to 2019 has resurfaced on social media, reviving questions around the intersection of Zimbabwe's political power, foreign mining interests, and private aviation. Sarabina mashoko kuda panguva ino aitagwa naSusan Mutami awa panguva ino zvinzi what Susan Mutami once alleged of Kabamora. That's gone without reply. Sarabina mashoko kuda aitagwa panguva ino naSusan Mutami vanhu vanyatsokuona kuti hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Susan Mutami anoposta maposts zvisanangurwa panapa muZimbabwe vachiti in a post attributed to the political activist Susan Mutami, it is alleged that in early 2019, a private jet carrying Russian businessmen landed at Harare International Airport and remained parked for several days as negotiations over a mining deal stalled. The claim alleges that delays in signing paperwork drew a senior political figure with assertions of cash inducements. The involvement of a presidential family member in a subsequent flight to Victoria Falls, where the president was reportedly present to sign off on the deal. The allegations reference the use of a private jet, substantial cash payments, and the alleged bypassing of formal state procedures in the approval of mining interests, claims which, if proven, would raise serious concerns about governance, corruption, and the administration of Zimbabwe's mining sector. The individuals accused in the allegation were contacted for comment at the time of publication. They had not responded. Domashoko vanhu vapost mapost account yaMutami yamuri kuona the same because in early 2019 there was a private jet that came to Zimbabwe and parked at Harare International Airport for a couple of days. These guys were Russians and wanted a deal in mining, but because of Chitando kept on going around in Anovantambira Chiti Secos in signing their paperwork. These guys then offered Polite Kambamora 150,000 cash in Polite rooms in the president's son in the deal, and they flew on their private jet to Vic Falls, where the president was, for him to sign the paperwork. Though a post yet on Susan Mutami yasikunokonzi ine serious allegations panguva ino aikanyura kati what Susan Mutami once alleged of Kambamora. That's gone without reply. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pane this old post yamuri kuona akaiposta muna 2022 achitsanangura zvinhu zvakaitika 2019. Pana comment section medu mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.